Hey guys, welcome back to Gloria Home of Skills. If you're finding it difficult to make a very hard soap, or you have excess demand and you don't really know what to do to meet up to the demand, this video is for you. This soap formulation foams very well and removes stains. So to my returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. You are highly welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of coming across this video, thank you for stopping by, and please encourage me by subscribing to my channel. It will make my channel grow. So like and share this video and let's get started. So I'm going to start by measuring the chemicals. So I'm just owning it, and the next thing I'm going to do is to place a rubber on top of it, and the measurement there is 20. So I'm going to tie it right now. So when you press star, it means that you have taken away the weight of the object that you placed on top of the measuring scale. So the chemicals I'm measuring right now is soda ash. So this soda ash serves as a filler in your soap. I will be measuring about 200 grams of soda ash in these productions. The next chemical I'll be measuring is calcium. So this serves as a binder in your soap, and it also makes your soap stronger. I'll be measuring about 200 grams of calcium in this production. I'll be measuring my caustic soda. This is what forms your soap. With the help of this water and oil, you have already made a soap, but other things are called additives in your soap making. So I'll be measuring about 200 grams of caustic soda in this production. This is the water I'll be using to dissolve these chemicals, and I'll be using 700 ml of water to dissolve them. Please don't forget to give this video a like. And I used 50-50 oil. This is tallow and PKO 50-50. This is 1 liter of oil. This is called silicate. I'm going to take about 100 ml of silicate to make this soap. And the next is our foaming booster. This is foaming booster. I made it myself. I'll be taking 100 ml, and this is fragrance. I'm going to be taking some. So the next is my color. This is optional. If you don't want to add a color, you can make your soap without a color. They are just called additives. So I'm going to divide the water into two. I'm going to be using half of it to divide my soda ash and other chemicals. So I'm going to be dissolving this for the moment. So after that, I'm going to add my calcium, and after the dissolving, I'm going to set it aside. This soda ash takes time to dissolve. You can just give it like 20 minutes to dissolve it, or less than that, because it's very stubborn. So this is me adding the calcium. So after that, I'm going to set it aside and move to the next stage. I'll be using the next water to dissolve my caustic soda. So just do it the way I'm doing it. Do not add your water in your caustic soda. Just add your caustic soda in water, because this caustic soda is corrosive. So do not allow it to splash on your body or anyway. Just cover your hands, please. I'm doing it because I left my hands open because I I know it's not going to splash on my body, so just make sure you cover your hands. So I just added the caustic soda into the solution that I made. So all the chemicals that I dissolve are in this bowl, so I'm going to be transferring it into our oil. So when mixing this, please do it very fast. Switch to my spatula because the spoon is not giving me what I want. Add this gradually. Please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up so that YouTube can push my video to other people who are interested in this type of video. Thank you. When making this soap, just make sure you have your soap mold ready. So don't just make your soap and start preparing for the mold. So just keep it aside and start your production. So after that, you can just pour it. But nothing stops me. I have made this soap. Nothing stops me from pouring this soap into the mold. But because I am trying to make a production that I can sell within 24 hours, so this is my silicate. I just added it. Like I said before, I took about 100 mils of silicate. This makes your soap to be very strong. If you add this in your soap, it's going to make your soap hard and shiny. This is me adding my foaming booster. I said that I'm going to take 100 mils of foaming booster, so make sure you measure yours. I'm going to put the measurement in the description, so go there to take the measurement in case you want to do the production. So I just added more foaming agent. So this is color. I used two colors in this production. This is golden yellow and this is pink. I just took some. I didn't put too much, but if it's not good to put too much of color, but if you want your color to be shouty, you can just add more. I needed a light color. This is how the color looks like. What I'm adding now is my fragrance. I added 2 cups of the fragrance, so I'm going to stir it. After stirring this, if you don't want to continue the production, you can just pour it in the mold. If you don't have excess demand, you can just pour it. Anytime it dries up, you can just start selling your soap. But because you have excess demand in your soap, we are going to take this to a gas. Okay, what we are going to do right now is hot method. You can see how milky my soap is. You can just pour it. Nothing stops me from pouring it. So I'm going to take it to the gas right now to cook the soap so it can dry up fast. You can see how low the light is. So this is why I said you should keep your mold ready. You can see that the soap is getting thicker because I wasted time when I putting the light on. So you can see how the soap is right now. With time it's going to melt, so just keep watching. Please don't forget to like this video. Okay, you can see how the soap is right now. There are different ways to know when your soap is done. As you can see, when looking at my soap, you can see that it is done. So when you notice that the ones by the side is getting dry very fast, or you can just put some on in the water, and when it dries up very fast, you will know that your soap is done. So I just took it down. It is time to add it in a mold, so be fast about it. If you have watched to this moment, please don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell notification to stay updated when next I upload a new video. Actually, I made this soap in the morning, and this is it in the afternoon. You can see the way it dries up very fast. So this is about 6 to 7 minutes, and I'm taking it off the mold. This soap is not up to 24 hours. This is about 6 to 7 hours after production. I'm not supposed to use it right now, but because I want to show you how it removes stains and foams, so I want to touch it. Normally it's supposed to stay for about 24 hours before use. You can see how it washed this thoroughly. So don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell notification to stay updated, and leave a positive comment into the comment section, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.